Hello friends, today we learn parts of body. Let's start. Head,
Head,
sir,
sir, hair,
hair,
ball,
ball,
eyes,
eyes,
आँखें,
आँखें,
ears,
ears,
कान,
कान,
nose,
nose,
नाक,
naak,
mouth,
mouth,
मुंह,
muh,
teeth,
teeth,
दांत,
दांत,
hand,
hand,
हाथ,
हाथ,
fingers,
fingers,
उंगलियां,
उंगलियां,
legs,
legs,
टांगे,
टांगे,
feet,
feet,
पैर.
पैर.
If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe कर दो ना. Thank you.